So first, here I have, you can get the recipe in the description box, and this is 3.5 yolks. These are 3.5 yolks. So first I'm going to pour them into my glass bowl. So I'm using here two hand mixer, one for the yolks and one for the egg whites. The reason why, because I don't have to, during this making this video, I don't have to wash again the mixing bowls. As you know that the mixing bowl for the egg white should be separate and very clean, and there should be no traces of oil or egg yolks or whatever. So what I'm going to do, I'll put this aside, the egg whites, that are 4 egg whites. This is 3.5 yolks and 4 egg whites, and this is the oil that we will use later. And this is 1 cup flour, all-purpose flour, and that is 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon of salt. Okay, we will use cream of tartar as well, that we will use for the egg whites. For now, I'm going to whip my egg yolks with the handheld mixer. I will just break it first and then I will put it on the full speed. Now I will start sprinkling the sugar into that. I have already switched on my oven and it's preheating at 165 degrees centigrade. Okay, so we carry on. As you can see, it has already changed its color, and we will keep on whipping till it reaches the ribbon stage. And what is the ribbon stage? When I will pick up my beater, so it will drop down, the batter will drop down like a lava. So we are not there yet. And one thing I forgot to mention, that for this mousse cake I'm using the base of the cake, I'm using a chiffon cake, and you might have guessed by now, because that's why I'm using this method. I'm beating the egg yolks separate and egg whites separate. So let's continue. As you can see, we have reached the ribbon stage and we need a slow ribbon stage. So the batter falls comparatively slow back into the remaining batter. And now here is my flour and baking powder and salt. They have been sifted together, and I have mixed my lemon juice with the oil. The quantity you can see in the description box. So what I am going to do, I have to add so our batter, half of our batter is ready. It's only just to add the egg whites into it. So the rest of our batter is ready, and our oven is preheating, and this is the egg whites, 4 egg whites and 1 by 8 cup of 1 by 8 teaspoon of cream of tartar. So I am going to beat it on medium speed first, and I'll bring it to soft peaks. So yes, we are there, almost there. So just for a little while, and then we are done. As you see, it clings to the beater, the whisker, and it is. So I will add a little bit of this and will very slowly, by going around and cutting through, I am just mixing both together. When there are no more white streaks, I will add more. So till that time, I'll keep on mixing the batter. Then some more. This is mixed very well together. I have already prepared two 6-inch Valentine pans, and I have lined them with parchment paper. So I will divide the batter into two. I will tap it on my work surface to the oven, and will bake it for 55 to 60 minutes. Okay, so our beautiful sponges are ready, as you can see. But what I'm going to do is, if it makes sense, cake in this, and for that I have cut the slices of the oranges. Look how refreshing the color is. Okay, so this is my silicone pan, and this is the acetate color. I will fix it around my cake pan. Okay. So this is a half cup of cold water, and I'm going to sprinkle 2.5 tablespoons of the gelatin. For the 5 egg yolks, I'm going to add it to the saucepan. Okay, and this is 1 cup orange juice, fresh orange juice. This is 1 cup sugar, and now I will add 1 by 4 teaspoon of the. It has thickened enough, but still we have to wait. It's like 10 to 12 minutes have gone already, but I expect that it will take like 5 more minutes more maybe. Okay, so you can see it coats my spatula now and it is thick enough. So it's ready to go. This is the soaked gelatin. It is completely soaked. I will just add it to get cool, and in the meanwhile we will whip our cream. This is a completely chilled bowl, and the whisker, I kept it like for 2 hours in the refrigerator to get it chilled. It is highly recommended to start beating the cream in a chilled bowl. These are 2 cups of the heavy clogging in the whip, and you can see. We will combine them now. Okay, so I have lined my pan with the orange slices because they were not standing on their own. So what I did a trick and put them in the freezer on the quick freeze, and now they can stand. So slowly I'll put it aside. This is ready, and okay, and then I will add half of my cream into it. This step is not optional, this is mandatory. So you do not deflate your cream, or in case of egg whites, when you whip them to a stiff bake. So if you don't do this step, you will deflate them. So I will keep mixing till all the white streaks are gone. Just check if nothing is clinging on to the bottom and everything is fully incorporated. You can just check by tilting it towards you. A little bit more, and then I will put first slice of the cake. So I will just smooth it as much as possible. And then another cake layer. better idea. So luckily in my freezer I have got some orange glaze, so I will just pour it in. Okay, that's it. So this is a beautiful orange Valentine mousse cake. So why don't you give it a try and post your comments with the pictures in the comment section, or I would love to see your creations, and you can come up with more ideas, and we would love to share it on our website and our Facebook and Insta video as well. So hope you enjoyed watching our video as we enjoyed making it for you. So happy Valentine! Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like it, and don't forget to click the bell button for the future videos. So happy caking! Bye bye, take care.